We'll let you go on that note today. Thanks a lot for joining us. Let's start wrapping up the market action for the day then. And, despite the last 30 minutes of minor profit taking, it still has to go down as a really, really strong day. The market opened gap up. After that, gave you another 100 points. And towards the end, shaved off those 100 points. That's it, but still close at almost that gap level on the Nifty. In terms of individual names, today you had some big moves in pharma names, so healthcare names like Apollo Hospitals, Cipla, Sun Pharma, and Dr. Reddy's. A couple of these auto names also did well, names like Eicher Motors and Tata Motors, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, HDFC Life. These are a few other names which did well in trade. On the downside, Infosys and Reliance, minor profit taking is what you saw. So these are a few names that stand out. But Prashant, the broader market was very strong.
2:1 advances to declines ratio. So just a bunch of names. Apollo Hospitals was up 6%. Renuka, we were talking about 12%. TVS Motor was up 5%. Adani Wilmar 5%. Metro Brands was up 9% by close. Cipla surged 6%, especially in the last 30 minutes. Advanced Enzyme started 10% higher, went up 12-13, ends 9% in the green. Advanced Enzymes. JK Lakshmi almost 6% higher. Heidelberg 12%. There is Tube Investments, which was up, I think, 5.5%. MCX, the commodity exchange, was up 5%. Crompton was up 6%. Crompton Consumer. Quest Corp 5.5%. CG Power up 6%. Jubilant Pharma 10%. I mean, so many names. Just going down the list as per volumes, not really gains, but you get the broad idea. KIMS, that is the hospital chain, was up 5.5%. Atul Auto, TV Today 5% higher. Mirza International up about 6% as well. Nigel.
Well, a few more notable gainers actually from the broader markets. You had DB Realty that was locked with a gain of 5%. Sanghi Industries as well locked with a gain of around 5%. These have been consistently higher. Shilpa Medicare, well, the management sound optimistic that they can unlock some value, whether it's by doing an IPO or doing a private placement in their API arm. So that one as well was up close to around 4.5%. HLE came back on the list. So HLE was up close to around 5%. HLE Glasgow. Remember, that one has corrected big time, half from the top. But in today's trading session, did stage a bit of a fight back. So fair to say that we ended closer to the lower end of trade in today's trading session. We ended with a gain of around 1% odd, but we came off 150 points from the day's top. The Nifty Bank as well did come off from the day's top, but there were plenty of action actually from the broader markets, and the mid-cap index outperformed today, up close to around 1.5%, with more number of stocks advancing in comparison to the number of stocks that were declined. Well, we'll wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell, but don't go anywhere. Our Tuesday special